Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm hoping you're having a great day and happy New Year's Eve. I hope you are ready to have a great time. I'm going to be doing a look today for New Year's Eve. Even though we're not going out, who doesn't still want to look pretty staying in, right? So please like, comment, and subscribe down below and ring the bell so you can get notifications and when I go live and do giveaways and have new videos up. And it'll be super fun and super cool and la 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 la. Today we're doing a look with the Thirsty palette that I got in my Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box. And it's going to be really exciting. I've never used this palette before. Look, it's got the little water droplets on it because I'm a thirsty bitch, right? Right. So I've got all my base and my brows done, and my blush and my bronzer. So we're just ready to make a beautiful eye look from this palette. And I really can't wait to get started because it is just so beautiful. I'm going to start in the crease with Taste Buds here. Very, very pigmented. I'm going to go in real light with this. Let's put a little clip in our hair to keep the bangs out of the way. And there's a little kick up in the pan. But Jeffree had discontinued this palette and then he brought it back. So that's really cool. And I'm glad I got a chance to get this in my mystery box. I'm just blending it out. It's a gorgeous color, this Taste Buds. I'm just trying to do the same thing on both sides. And blend it out. I mean, it's just a beautiful color. Lovely. Next color up will be Parched. This will go under my brow bone. And this looks just like my skin. I've never had a Jeffree color so close to my actual skin color. But there's a whole row of shimmers in here that we're going to get into also. Don't you worry. This is so pretty. I'm really enjoying this so far. I'm going to go in with Subtle here. This little light cocoa color. That is not doing what I want it to do at all. I'm going to have to go darker. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. That is not doing what I want it to. We love a little tissue. So the darkest color is Drizzle. Same brush. Little tissue action over here again. And this is reminding me how beautiful a subtle look can be. And we're going to glam this up with a lot of glitter. So don't you worry. It's not going to be a dull look whatsoever. And I'm going to take this dark glitter here, which is called Plunge, and put it on my outside of my lid. It's beautiful. And it gives that festive holiday vibe. And I'm going to probably reach in for another color as well. And I'm going to go into Snatched right here. And put it on the inside of the lid. It's super pretty. This is a pretty dry glitter formula. Let's get some blending. Haven't done a lot of blending with this. And with the eyes being a little subtle, I'm going to try to go dramatic with the lip. Oop, and I got a little eyeshadow underneath the eye. So we'll just take the concealer brush and go over that. Good to have that here and handy. This palette is just not bringing it like I want it to be brought. I'm putting a little bit more of the darker color there. And now I'm going to reach into another source of glitter, because 2 glitters is obviously not enough for this look. And we're going to go into this Tarte glitter, which is called Tapiat. And there's a little lid on it because it is so flaky and delightful. And it's just bringing it up a notch with some gold. Oh yeah, that's much better. And this really needed a really nice gold. There's a gold in this palette, but it's more of a yellow gold, and I wanted more of a brighter gold. Very pretty. Now we're going to do some liner and lashes. I'm going to do the Stila liner. Very cute. And the Dark Star Mascara from Pat McGrath. I'm getting a little on my lids, but that's what Q-tips are for. It's so cute. We'll do a little subtle gold highlight glow with the Bitty ColourPop Super Shock. It's a pale gold, and that is just a beautiful addition to this look. Very subtle, very beautiful. And let's bring some vampiness to these lips. Yes, we are going to be using unicorn blood. That looks nice. That looks gorgeous. Overdrew them for the holidays for a brilliant look. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Enjoy the new year. And this is my look with the Thirsty palette. Bye.